Living room garage. This unusual parking space is literally located in the owner's apartment. This type of parking was developed specifically for owners of super sports cars to avoid possible theft from leaving the car on the street. This innovation can be found in Singapore, where these exclusive apartments have 2 elevators, one for people and one for cars. To get the car into the apartment, the user must place it on a special platform and choose the desired floor, and then climb using the other elevator. When arriving at the apartment, the owner will find his car already in place, located in front of everyone in a special glass box. V-Charge. Volkswagen has developed an intelligent platform that allows cars to find their own free parking space in parking lots and automatically activates the recharging system if the cars are hybrid or electric. The driver, upon arriving at the entrance of the parking lot, will be able to leave the vehicle and activate the parking process through a mobile application on the smartphone. At that point, the onboard equipment, the autopilot, and the system for exchanging data with the surrounding infrastructure starts working. The car, after receiving a digital parking card wirelessly, can locate the nearest empty spaces. After that, using 360-degree cameras, ultrasonic and other sensors, the vehicle can go its own way to the desired location where the parallel, perpendicular or diagonal parking mode will be activated. Smart parking solution. The automated parking robot is a compact vertical construction. This invention can completely solve the problem of lack of parking spaces. Moreover, the robot is absolutely safe for independent use. To place the car indoors, just drive the car to a special platform, which will then lift the car to the required level with the help of a transport lift. A screen on the outside allows the vehicle owner to see the number of his or her parking space. To lower the car, you just need to dial that number on the screen and the lift will bring the car back. Hikvision parking robot. At the beginning of 2017, engineers from the Hikvision Research Institute presented an intelligent parking system. Its invention is based on specialized software that uses automated parking robots. These robots can park the car in less than 2 minutes without human intervention. The system works as follows. The driver enters a special area with his or her car, allowing the robot to be located under the car. The user leaves the car and receives an individual number, thanks to the mobile application and a touch panel located at the exit. The robot then analyzes the current situation in the parking lot, finds an empty space and parks the car independently. To pick up the car, the driver enters the number received on the touch panel, and the smart robot returns the car to you. GazeBox. This personal mini nesting resembles a transparent folding canopy. This unusual garage opens and closes with a conventional remote control. It's equipped in the perimeter with LEDs for lighting, and if you wish you can add an aerator, alarm, solar panels, rain sensor, and even a vacuum cleaner. GazeBox was developed by an Italian company of the same name, which patented its invention. It's easy to install and doesn't require any special permission once purchased. Upon the customer's request, the transparent garage can be improved by adding elements of wood, carbon or aluminium to the design. Serva. This unique technology has been created based on a transformable robot called Ray, which adapts to the parked car. The robot changes its size depending on the vehicle dimensions, especially the length and wheelbase of the vehicle. This is possible thanks to 3D scanning technology, which in just a few seconds records the exact information. This technology allows the vehicle to be parked, optimizing spatial efficiency and location of the vehicle in the parking system. ADLINK. This is a fully automated parking system. It works in conjunction with a smartphone application or a special program installed on your computer. When entering the parking lot, the owner of the car must scan his or her smartphone with a special device, which makes it possible to record the vehicle's dimensions and consequently to select the ideal parking space. Finally, the car owner must get the vehicle to a special platform which will automatically put it in the right place. To get your vehicle out of the parking lot, you must use the mobile application again. IdealPark. Here we have another personal parking lot, an excellent solution for private houses with a basement. IdealPark is a large elevator that locates the car underground, where it's driven to the basement. At the same time, on the surface of the streets, there's no trace of a whole garage in this place. Above, instead, you can locate a path or even a flower bed, so the construction of the car lift will not occupy a square foot of your territory. Car tent. Although this invention can't be considered a fully fledged parking lot, it is perfect for protecting your car perfectly from external factors in open spaces, where it's not possible to park the car in a closed room. Car tent is installed on the roof of the vehicle and can be used in various variations depending on weather conditions. This tent will protect your car from overheating in the sun, rain, hail, and foreign objects falling from above. Vasari. This car lift was developed especially for owners of private homes with the possibility of underground parking in the basement of the house. The elevator consists of several levels which allow simultaneously parking several cars. It works in the same way as other similar devices. The car goes on the platform and then sinks into the ground.
If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.